Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Computers Repair Plus. This is Murshid. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the battery for your MacBook Pro. If you have experience on it how to do the replacement, then you can try by yourself, but if you are not confident to do that, please don't try, because might be you will destroy the computer. So um, of course your own risks. Anyway, so I already removed the screw from here, so just have to use the exact same screwdriver for removing those screws. I already did that. I'm sorry, I did before, and then I realized I should record a video for my local audience who looking for that. So very simple. This is MacBook Pro, I believe is 1398 and EMC 2512. Okay, so I'm just take out the back part, and looks like a little bit um, dusty inside, so I'm going to clean up them. I'm going to use a just regular brush for cleanup. Alright, now a little bit better than before. So we have to remove um, this battery cover here. And all right, so I keep them separately because we have to make sure we are not gonna mix with the silver color screw. We have to keep in mind this two screw for the battery circuit board. Okay, and then very simple, we just have to use uh, any tools. Like I'm going to use the plastic tool, and just have to pull up the connector here, the battery connector. This is not strong enough, so or I can try to use my nail. There you go, it's fine. So there is no other screw, this is a plastic case. Okay, so there is no other screw. We have to use a little bit alcohol um, for remove the sticky, because um, back of the battery they use looks like double side glue. So I have here some alcohol, so I'm going to use them. And again, be careful to remove the battery. and use something like this, like plastic. Otherwise there is possibility to explode the battery. All right, there you go. Already done one. Now the next one, just keep going. All right. Great. I already done two. Now I'm going to do for this two. Same way, very careful. Perfect. Right. Just keep going, and you have to do very carefully, otherwise it's gonna burn the battery. It will fire up. So for MacBook Air and MacBook Pro battery replacement, sometimes it's very difficult because it's easy to burn if you use any metal tools for removing the battery. We can, but we have to careful. The best way is used the plastic. Right. It is very hard. Great. And this side now still looks like sticky. Okay. And double check this side. All right, looks like it's removed. Let's try now. And remove this. Okay. Just pull up. Great. This is our battery, and see how many sticky double-sided tape here. And that is our full battery, right? And we have to clean up a little bit here. Alright, now we are going to open our new battery. This is our new battery. Oh great, they also give us some tools, but I need head shape. This already has here. Okay, so before remove the sticker, I want to test it is working or not. Okay, if not work, then we have to return the battery. So we should test first before do anything. I mean before remove any sticker. Looks like it's not going to fit without removing the sticker, so I'm going to install without removing that. Okay, all right, and to hold it and open the screen, press the power and check the processor fan is spinning or not. I'm going to press. Okay, great, it's spinning. That means working the battery. It says need to plug the charger. Okay, I'm going to plug the charger. I believe I have the charger here. 1 second. So here's my charger. Great, looks like it's power on. And we have to test the battery like few minutes. This is the user. I'm sorry, I have to post the video because I'm going to type the password. This is for customer, that's why. Sorry. All right. So here is the battery. Okay. Okay, here's the battery. It's showing 47%. I unplug the charger and plug back. And I'm gonna wait like 5 or 10 minutes to see how many percent is going to increase. Okay, with the 10 minutes. Now is 450. I'll come back 5. Okay, and we'll see how many percent is. Alright guys, so now 5 p.m. that means 10 minutes. So in the 10 minutes it's showing 51%. So I believe it was before 47%. So I can see here 1 hour 38 for full charge. So that is the remaining time. So as my test, the battery is taking charge, so it's fine. I can unplug the charger, is working, and we can shut down the computer. And we have to install the new battery properly. Again, I'm so sorry for my poor quality English. Still I'm learning English, so please don't mind. I'm so sorry about that. I appreciate you for your understanding. Okay, so okay, now we can remove the connector again. It's very hard, so we have to use the tool. Okay. Here is a new plug. So we have to just remove the okay. The top side it should be fast. Make sure it's installed in the proper place. And also you have to make sure so looks like we have to remove it a little bit because the position is not the correct. It should go more. Okay, I'm going to use the battery screw first. Then it's gonna hold the battery circuit. Now to double check the other battery. Alright, now we can remove the top one and then plug the battery connector. Okay. Plug that carefully because if it is not in the right position, the connector will be break. Okay, so we have to make sure that is the right position. And here is our plastic. Okay. So let's close. We have to make sure everything is in right position. Okay, all right. can use our other screw for close it. You have to make sure there is two screw, looks very different. That's that two screw for the middle. Okay, please remember that. Oh, I'm sorry, this two screw for this two for this middle here. I'm sorry, not the other side. Right. I'm going to use the backside cover. Customer like to use it, so make sure it's installed properly. Yes, and power on now. Okay, so we have to full charge the battery first, because this is a new battery. That's why it's giving us the warning for full charge. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, please comments below. I will try as soon as possible to reply. And of course, if you need any help for replacing the battery or replacing motherboard or motherboard repair or a screen repair or whatever keyboard replacement, bring to us or call us for question. Thank you so much. Bye.